Everyone in this world is suffering. Those who do not know Krishna, all of them are suffering, no matter how rich they may be, no matter how influential they may be, no matter how famous they may be, and no matter how much they seem to be enjoying. They all are suffering. They all are suffering. With our eyes closed, we can say that they are all suffering, no matter what. From our eyes, it may seem, oh, he is so rich, so he must be enjoying so much. Look at what a palatial building he has. Look at what a beautiful family he has. Look at all these facilities that he has. But one thing I can tell you, if you stand on his shoes, you will see how miserable he is. Just as when you also look at yourself and see how miserable you are, he is also equally miserable. So, the only way to become really happy, the only way to become really successful in life is by becoming a devotee of Krishna. And how does one become a devotee of Krishna? By knowing Krishna. And what is the way to know Krishna? The way to know Krishna is Shrotabhya. Hear about Krishna. Kirtitabhyascha. Hear, then chant. Hearing and chanting. And then Smartabhya, remembering. Remembering Krishna. Remember Krishna's pastimes. And why Krishna is performing his pastimes? To attract us. Through his pastimes, he is attracting us. That's the purpose of his pastimes. He is performing his pastimes. Pastimes are like a drama on a stage. And Krishna is enacting the drama with his devotees. And the purpose is to attract us.